for their better performance in their academic performance. So the general objective of the study was to study about the factors that affect the academic performance of students in secondary level, and the specific objectives were to find the difference in quality of students' achievement in relation to their gender, to analyze the effect of address of the students. Address means either their address is permanent or temporary. So to analyze the effect of ethnicity of students in academic performance, to check whether the number of siblings affect the quality of education of students or not, to analyze the effect of parental education and occupation on students' academic performance. So methodology. In methodology, descriptive study was conducted by using survey method. The population was secondary school, male and female students from schools inside Kathmandu Valley. The survey was conducted using questionnaire for information gathering, factors related to academic performance of students. The academic performance has been caused by the results of 8th, 9th and 10th grade annual examinations. The quality of academic performance were measured by the achievement scores of students, annual examination verified from the Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, and schools final or annual examination. The data regarding the variables such as parents' education, parents' occupation, gender of students, number of siblings, address and ethnicity has been collected by using questionnaire. So collection of data. So the data were collected by using questionnaire and other by consulting their teachers and the secondary data were taken by using from the school official records. Secondary data were taken from there. The sources of data with these 4 schools: Aspirant Public School, Anupam Vidya Southern Secondary Boarding School, Snow Apex Academy, and Sri Sanjay Sai Vidya Mandir. The data are organized according to their GPA grades. So from GPA grades from 3.6 to 4 were categorized as outstanding, and 3.2 to 3.6 as excellent, and in this way their GPA grades were categorized. In statistical analysis, univariate analysis and bivariate analysis is done. In univariate analysis, frequency table and Bayes diagram is used. In bivariate analysis, Frost table, chi-square test and Kruskal-Wallis test is used because the data were not normally distributed. So I have used Kruskal-Wallis test. So the data were distributed according to their gender and their GPA grades. So from this bar diagram, we can see that male students have higher numbers in achieving A plus grades. In also in A grades, the male students are higher, 56, except in B plus in all grades. So the number of males are higher. So to see whether there is effect of gender on their academic performance or not, I conducted chi-square test. So from chi-square test, the p-value obtained was 0.481. So from here we can see that there was no effect of gender on their academic performance. Similarly, the data was also categorized according to students' address and GPA grades. So from this bar diagram we can see that the students who had temporary address, they are higher in number to achieve A plus, A, B plus, B. In all grades they are higher in numbers. To see whether this bar graph shows that there is actual relation between address and GPA grades of students or not, we have again conducted the chi-square test, and from chi-square test the p-value was obtained 0.607. So this also indicates that there was no effect of the students' address on their GPA grades. Again, we have distributed the students according to their ethnicity and GPA grades. So here, the students from Brahmi, the students who got GPA A plus were only 9. So the students to get A plus grades were higher from Kshatriya ethnicity, and to get A grade were higher from Brahmin, and there were very low students to get these grades from this other indicates the ethnicity such as Madhesi, such as Adivasi, Muslims. So this others have been put. So they were very less in number. So I have put them in others category. So they were very less in number. So to see whether there was actual association between ethnicity and GPA grade or not. So I have again conducted chi-square test. So from chi-square test, the p-value obtained was 0.036. So we can see that there was association, there was effect of ethnicity on their GPA grades. Again, I have distributed the students according to their number of siblings and GPA grades. So the students, who did not have other siblings, so they got six students who did not have other siblings got A plus grade. Similarly, 20 students who had only one sibling and 7 students who had 7 siblings got A plus respectively. And similarly, we can see the students who got A, B plus and B and below grades. So the 18 students, they did not have other siblings who got A grade, and similarly 48 students who had only one sibling. So from this bar diagram we can see that the students who had only one sibling are higher in all the cases to get these grades. So again, to see whether there was effect of number of siblings on their GPA grades or not, from chi-square test we can see that p-value is 0.025. So this indicates that there was effect of number of siblings on their GPA grades. The distribution of students according to their mother's education and GPA grade. So we can see from the bar diagram the students whose mothers were not educated, not even a single student got A plus grade from that category. Similarly, the student whose mothers were educated from grade 1 to 8, 13 students got A plus grade. So the students whose mother's education was from grade 1 to 8, the highest number to get A grades were from highest number of students who got A plus grades, and that was 44. And to see whether this bar diagram shows that there is relation between the mother's education and GPA or not. So we have since there for chi-square test we need at least 5 frequency in every cell. So that was not computed. So I have used here the students' mean GPA grades, and I tested whether that their mean GPA grades are normally distributed or not. And from Sapelo will test, this p-value shows that those data were not distributed normally. So I used Kruskal-Wallis test to see whether there was effect of mother's education on GPA grade points or not, and the p-value obtained was 0.034, which shows that there was effect of mother's education on the GPA grades of students. And same thing was done for father's education also. We can see that the students whose father was not educated, from 3 students from those group got A plus grade. Similarly, the students whose father was educated up to grade 1 to 8, only one student got A plus, and from 9 to 12, those whose fathers were educated from 9 to grade 12, 19 students from that group got A plus grades, and so on. So from A grade, we can see that 4 students whose father was not educated got A grades. Similarly, the highest number to get A grade were whose fathers were educated from grade 9 to 12, and so on. And again, This data was also not normally distributed, so Kruskal-Wallis test was used, and the p-value obtained was 0.000, which shows that there was effect of father's education on GPA points. Again, the data were distributed according to the students' GPA grade points and their modest occupation. So again, I have tested whether those data were distributed normally or not, and Kruskal-Wallis test was used because the data was not normally distributed, and the value obtained was 0.070, and this indicates that there was no effect of mother's occupation on the GPA grades of students. Distribution of students according to their father's occupation. So again, the data according to the father's education was tested whether that was normally distributed or not according to their GPA grade points, and the data was not normally distributed, so I used Kruskal-Wallis test, and the p-value obtained shows that there was no effect of father's occupation on their GPA grade points. So for conclusion, so among these factors, so the age of students, gender of students, address of students, mother occupation and father occupation, these were the factors which did not had effect on the students' academic performance or their GPA grades, and the factors which had effect on the academic performance of students were their ethnicity, the number of students, mother's education and father's education. Thank you.